Welcome back to the channel. So we are going to start the day off with that and that. He's actually sitting outside. The doors don't stay closed on this unit, and see, he told me, he warned me. So that's the reason that he's getting rid of it. So let me get y'all straightened back up. Okay, well, let's fight with it. I want to put the doors up against this to this thing. The doors are not going to stay on. All right, that's when I wish I would have brought my dolly, but you know. Oh, it's a heavy one. And tilt it back. It's a good start. A heavy start. At any rate, I'll bring y'all right back. I'm gonna knock y'all over anyway. Well, we fought with it. We got it on. I got a strap on it. I'll take these bungee cords. He said I could have them, so he's sitting outside, by the way. So very, very quiet. Well, see what else we can pile on this thing today. I'm turning into Paul from Scrapping Pallet Man. So my thought process is this. So I'm gonna start taking the transformers out. He had a milk carton there where the refrigerator came, and I think those transformers would do okay in there. One of those pretty full, probably has some weight, and then put them on a pallet, and then, you know, use this as well. I think it wouldn't be a terrible idea. And this looks like a pretty good pallet. I mean, I don't know the difference between left and right and front and center with pallets. So thoughts on that? It's a start. The 55-gallon drum thing is a good idea, but I can't imagine trying to get a 55-gallon drum full of transformers on the trailer. That would be heavy without wheels. I mean, I'm pretty sure you could fashion something up, but this is a thought. This is a thought. I'm doing a little bit of walk here. It's my turn's right there, and I don't want to go too far past it. So, and I want the chairs, so we're gonna get the chairs. Spider City on these things. See if I can grab them. Is that all putting on? That's metal too. Squeeze. Nope. No squeezing there. How about I lift like that? Perfect. Into the trailer you go. Lay you down for now. Probably stand you up over there before long, you know. Yeah, y'all okay right now. We might be getting fooled on these. They might be metal, wood, aluminum. Let's see. Oh, they're metal. That is aluminum. We just got an aluminum hit. On the back you go. Good money. Pretty sure I seen some fan action, and we did. We seen some fan action. Take that off. Get all the metals, even though that does not look like metal. I'll put that there for now. Well, forgot about the chairs. Take them off, get our little bit of aluminum out of it, and of course, yep, that's heavy. That's a good addition. We do not want the light bulb. Whoa, those are unique light bulbs, to say the least. They're the twist-in varieties. All right, little addition to the trailer. So far a chair type of day. That's metal too. So far, a chair type day. Which, if we find something else big, we'll have to make room. But you know, right now we're doing just fine. Is it metal enough? I mean, this is metal, right? No. No. Plastic. That's metal. We'll leave it. Normally when I find them with like the poles and everything, I take them. Never really put much thought into it. Question is, would you have taken it? I can take these chains. They're only held on by these. Come on. Who doesn't like good chains anyway? See, if I wouldn't have brought that back, I would have never seen it. Take my gloves off. Oh, that one's rusted on too. Why don't you? Yep. See what I got back here to solve this problem we have. Pair of pliers. Pair of pliers. Let's give you a shot. It's wanting to gum. There she goes. Working it back and forth sometimes like that helps get it started. So, cool, my dad always taught me anyway. At any rate, I'm gonna spend some time, take this off, take my little bit of chain I got. See you in a second. As y'all can see, we kind of already went vertical. We have two grills here, so I'm on the fence with grills right now, because if I find another refrigerator, it's gonna make it very hard. But if I find nothing else, I'm gonna kick myself for not picking up the grills. So we're picking up the grills. Just a quick idea, thought. Nothing too special about them. Just scrap. We'll let them roll around, have fun, enjoy themselves, that kind of thing. All right, so we have a bin full of car parts, like a bin full. We're gonna pull the trailer up just a hair. The lady was, I don't know, I might want to try to get it back here. Maybe actually some good parts in here. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, that's my thought process. Just line them up and stack them, guys. Let's see if we can get it a stretch. Oh, we're good. Put the back into it. Oh yeah, no problem. Okay. Well, we'll see. I appreciate it. Not like I said, if you need me, just give me a holler. I'll come and I'll help you get it all out for you. Come on. I think I'm caught on the pallet. Yeah, no, we're good. So, her husband has passed away, and I tried to help her get it today, but he used to sell parts, so some of this stuff may be good. I don't know, we'll take a look at it, see if any of his part numbers, and before they make their ultimate goal, if there is one, to the scrapyard. So yeah, not a bad little stop. I don't know about you, but I'm really intrigued about the car parts. If they're all new, that's gonna be great, but you know, I mean, what's the chances of it being in decent enough shape for that to happen? I don't know. I mean, her husband did deal with car parts, and he unfortunately passed away. And maybe there's some stuff there that's of value-ish. Want a purse? I see a penny. I mean, we take the penny, right? If we can find it again. Penny. My penny. We got it. Gloves are kind of make it a little bit harder on some people. It's all metal. See? All metal. I think I put the penny in my pocket. I'm not 100% sure on that. Looks about it. It's not the prettiest thing I've ever seen. I'm sorry if somebody likes it. I'm sorry. I just don't like the way it looks. Purse. I don't see nothing in that. Too flashy for me anyway. We've got more chair action. I guess it's just the chair day. That's all, just the chair day. Looks like aluminum. Am I right? Looks like I'm right, no sticky. Aluminum chair day. I'll just put it back over there. Well, we're still on the chair trend, it seems. What was that? I don't know. But we'll take the chair. We got room for it. We're getting towards the backside of the day, so might as well take it. I was gonna say it's aluminum. Huh. I don't know. Might be kind of a pain to clean up, wouldn't it? Any ideas on that one? How to clean up a chair that's aluminum, that's got all this stuff on it. Be some work. Go put our box back. I don't know about that one. We'll see. Well, it's getting dark. And I found another grill on the way home, so we got to give it a shot, right? We got to give it a shot. Pit Boss. It's not a light one. Come on. Let's find you a new home. It's actually, I mean, right on there is just all we can do, right? Just stick it on there. Come on. I'm on a hill too, it's not helping. Definitely not helping. Look at that. It worked. I still gotta put the chair on, but that's successful. I think we got a good enough load to go to the scrapyard tomorrow, in my opinion. Where to put it? Yep, that works. The route's about over. I don't predict us to find much more, but hey, it's not a bad day. Good morning. So that's the load. This all came from Sunday. Now, except for the basket. The basket came off our four-wheeler. Had a little accident with it. Wasn't nothing special, just bent the rack. No one got hurt. Everybody's fine. But this is kind of load. Not a terrible load. We're gonna go get it. I'm probably gonna go ahead and sell the chairs. They're clean and they can do their own thing. And then we may actually go through this box of goodies right here. The police are definitely somewhere in. See what's all in here. See what can go to the yard. See what may be possible resale. I don't know. Some of this stuff actually may not be used or may be used. We'll see. But yeah, this is the load. I think it's enough to go. And kind of see what's all there kind of deal. But yeah, let's make a trip. All right, so we actually had 660 pounds, 8 cents a pound, $52.80. And those 2 aluminum chairs that we had that were clean, they yielded us there were 20 pounds there, 30 cents a pound, $6. So $58.80, not bad. We're gonna kind of go through this box and kind of look at a few things, kind of see what we got, what we don't got, what's scrap, what's not scrap, what we think scrap, what you think scrap. You know, just insert your thoughts, right? So this is the first thing. Magnetic base appears to be new. Appears to be. I can't do this with gloves. My fingerprint don't work if I do it with gloves. So this looks close to what we have. 38908 new, 58 or $55. So $50 bill probably, more than likely. Then one sold pre-owned here for $115. Don't know the difference. $40. Different model number though. Yeah, I mean, we'll take it. We'll take it. What was this, reflector lamp? Looks like. Don't think it's gonna be new. I mean, it's definitely been played with and tampered with, so. Sorry about the background noise. That one's broke, so that's a no-go. Get some gloves on. I mean, we got one thing in there worth 40-50 bucks, so can't complain too much about it, right? I don't think that's new neither. Maybe it's just a bunch of old parts. I mean, it's kind of weird to have one thing in here that's, you know, new-ish, I guess. Grease gun going there. Compressor. I mean, that's pretty much clean aluminum. Coil pack going there. Some gauges. A light, another light with a extendable 1000 on it. Give that a check. Have no idea. Coil pack, charging whirler. Some brake pads. A distributor cap. That's used. That's used. A carburetor. No. Yes. What? Look, I'm not a mechanic by trade, so I don't know. But like I said, we're gonna go through it. We're gonna take a look at it. I mean, what's the chances of that old thing working? Another distributor. Another coil. Window regulator? Window motor? Sure. Don't know why I'm holding you. I don't know, guys. Yeah. Another cap. Another charging whirler. A fan motor of some sort that goes into something that did another diggy-majiggy. What are you? AC. Fuel pump. Fuel pump. I think I've seen one of those in this lot too, so probably a fuel pump. Well, that's kind of what we got. I mean, I don't know. Y'all tell me. Y'all probably know 100 times more than that. I mean, you got some funnels about this kind of stuff. We did find that one good thing. I mean, it looks new, so we'll take that, right? All this stuff pretty much scrap, I think, unless y'all tell me otherwise. What is that? Ignition switch. Oil pressure gauge. Well, there you go. I mean, wasn't too much to look at, I guess. And if you see anything that you kind of say, okay, well, yeah, that's worth a few dollars, hey, let me know. Or know anything about this stuff more than I do, which you probably do, let me know. So I'm gonna finish getting all this stuff kind of put on the back of the trailer. Y'all will see it next time. I know the charging whirlies go for a different thing altogether at the yard, so piece of metals. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It looks like I forgot to record unloading it. I mean, it is what it is. It happens. I pressed the button, but you know, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. I pressed the button. AC spark plug, alternating current spark plug. I don't know. So yeah, sorry about the trip to the yard. I thought that we would get a decent thing. I mean, we had a good payout, so look, another strap. We had a good payout, so we'll take it. Maybe go get breakfast with it or something. Who knows what we do. It's up to the wife anyway, right? So if you enjoyed the video, you know, like it, share it, maybe subscribe to it. If you didn't, you know, maybe I can earn your subscription next time. And on that note, my mind's in 100 different places. Oh, one more thing. I did leave the that one big aluminum chair that has all that plastic wrapping on it. Any ideas what's going to be the easiest way to take that off? Because I'm going to be honest with you, if it's going to take me an hour to do it and it's only worth $5 to $6 to $8 in aluminum, I can make more money just scrapping it out as steel. So comments on that, maybe ideas on that. So until next time, I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.